Now we will see another experiment using screw gauge, and that is to measure the thickness of a given sheet, that means a paper sheet, using a screw gauge. So for this instrument the apparatus are the screw gauge and a paper sheet, which I have folded like this manner. Okay, so we have to measure the thickness of this paper folding. Okay, so before that we will determine the pitch of this screw gauge. So let's see. Suppose I am again opening it to the 5th division of linear scale. Yes, it is 5 now. So the reading on the linear scale, circular scale is 40. So we have to mark the number of complete rotations. So here we have just completed 1, 2, 3, 4 and done. So we are getting 4 number of complete. So we just saw that we are getting the distance moved by the screw is 5 millimeter, and the number of full rotations given to the screw to close this distance is equal to 4. So we can say this will be equal to 1.25 millimeter. So pitch of this instrument is coming as 1.25 millimeter. Next thing, we have to determine the least count of it, that is equal to pitch divided by number of divisions on the circular scale. So that will be equal to 1.25 divided by the total number of divisions, that is 100 we know. So that will be equal to 0.0125 millimeter, or that will be equal to 0.00125 centimeter. So as we know, generally the least count of the screw gauge is taken to be 0.001 centimeter. So we will consider this one. Okay, clear? Next part, the determination of zero error. So let's see. So as you can see here, let me open it and close so that you will see the 0 of the reference line and the 0 of the circular scale. Yes, so you can see here this is the 0 of the linear scale, and here is the 0 mark of the circular scale. So here we can see that the 0 of the circular scale is lying behind 7 divisions. This is 5th division and 6th, 7 divisions behind of the linear scale 0 mark. That means this instrument has a zero error, which is positive zero error. So we can write it as determination of zero error. It's a positive zero error. So now I can write a determination of zero error as plus 7, and because here as you have seen that this 0 of the circular scale is lying 7 divisions behind of the 0 of the linear scale. And next part, we need to find the zero correction. So that is equal to, since the zero error is positive, the zero correction will be negative, and that will be equal to minus 7 into least count. So that is minus 7 into 0.001 centimeter. That will be minus 7 in, minus 0.007 centimeter. Okay, clear? Or we can write it as minus 0.07 millimeter. Clear? If I consider 0.01 millimeter as the least count of the instrument, the zero correction will be minus 0.07 millimeter or minus 0.007 centimeter. Okay. So next we will move to the measurement of the sheet. So first of all, we have to open this plane surfaces and we have to put this sheet of paper or paper folding within the place, and we have to make it tight so that it will hold the paper piece sharply. Yes, it is perfectly fixed now. Okay, so now first of all let's mark the linear scale reading here. As you can see, it has completed 3 divisions on the linear scale. So linear scale reading will be 3 millimeter and the circular scale division will be equal to, as you can see, just see by the eye level. So it is coming as 80 divisions on the circular scale. Linear scale reading is equal to 3 millimeter. Number of circular scale division is equal to 80 and the value of circular scale reading will be 80 into the least count in millimeter, that is 0.01 millimeter. So this much will be equal to 0.8 millimeter. Now observed thickness of the paper folding or the paper sheet will be equal to sum of this linear scale reading and the circular scale reading. So that will be 3 plus 0.8, that will be 3.8 millimeter. Okay, and observed thickness will be the sum of this corrected thickness will be the sum of observed thickness and the zero correction, and we know that zero correction, as we just got in the previous case, that is equal to, as you can see here, that is 0.07 millimeter. So we have to add this. That means this much will be equal, it will be equal to T1, that will be 3.8 minus 0.07 millimeter. Okay, now we have to subtract this, that is 3.8 minus 0.07. So that will be equal to 3. So we just got it as 3.73 millimeter. Okay, this is 3 actually. Yes. So similarly we will continue for the next 4 observations. Now let us fix the paper folding at some other place. We have to fix it like this. Yes, and let's observe what linear scale reading we are just getting. Again it is coming as 3 divisions and the circular scale division on it is 80, 81, 82. Okay, is it clear to all of you? We are getting 82 as the circular scale division and linear scale reading is equal to 3 millimeter. So again we got linear scale reading as 3, circular scale division as 82. So this will be equal to 82 into 0.01, that will be 0.82, and that will be 3 plus 0.82 or 3.82 millimeter, and T2 will be equal to 3.82 minus 0.07. So that will be equal to 3.75 millimeter. Okay, clear? So now let us take one more observation with it. I'm just fixing the paper sheet. Yes, it is. Yes, it is perfectly fixed now. Now let us take the linear observation. Linear scale reading is again equal to 3 and the number of circular scale division is coming as 78. As you can see, this line is coinciding with it. So this is 78. So now let us write it. This is equal to 3. This is equal to 78. So that will be 78 into 0.01. That will be again 0.78. That will be 3.78. And here T3 will be equal to 3.78 minus 0.07. So that will be equal to, that is 3.71 millimeter. Okay, clear? Now let us take one more set of observation with it. I'm just trying to fix the paper sheet. let me fix it properly. Yes, it is fixed, and the linear scale reading is again equal to 3, and yes, here it is little more, 75 is coming as the circular scale division. Okay, let us write it. This is equal to 3, this is equal to 75. So that will be 75 into 0.01, that is 0.75. This is equal to 3.75, and T4 will be equal to 3.75 minus 0.07. So that will be equal to 3.68 millimeter. Okay, clear everyone? Now the last set of observation. First of all, we have to place the paper sheet in between the studs. Yes, it is fixed now. Let us take the linear scale division here. Yes, it is again equal to 3, as you can see here, and this is coming as 70. Yes, it is coming as 70. So this is 3, this is coming at 70. So 70 into 0.01, 0.70 will be the value of circular scale reading. This will be 3.70, and T5 will be 3.70 minus 0.07. So that will be equal to 3.63 millimeter. Okay, we just got our all 5 set of thickness with 0 error. Now let us find out the mean thickness, and that will be our result. So that is equal to the sum of 3.73 plus 3.75 plus 3.71 plus 3.68 plus 3.63 divided by 5. So now we have to add it. So that will be almost equal to 18.5. Now divided by 5. So this will be equal to, yes, 3.7 millimeter. But we have to measure it with centimeter, so that will be equal to 0.37 centimeter. So we can say the thickness of the given sheet that we just used for the measurement purpose, that is a paper folding I have used. So the thickness of this paper folding is coming as 0.37 centimeter. Okay, so that's all about the experiment measuring of thickness of a given sheet of paper.